On the 5th of October this year, 2022, Infinix will be announcing their flagship device, which is the Infinix Zero Ultra. But people are questioning this device. There's a whole lot of controversy surrounding this device about whether or if it's actually a flagship device, and for some reason the price it's coming at. In today's video, I'm here to break down simple things you should probably understand about the Infinix Zero Ultra, and would hint on certain aspects of it, like the key selling points and whatnot. Either way, I'm DELPPY and make it talk, Charlie. So the Infinix Zero Ultra is actually on sale at the moment. It's on Jumia Ghana now. It's going for 5,535 Ghana cedis, which is a little over $500. Now, for some reason, people don't think that price matches the capability of the device. The key selling points of the Infinix Zero Ultra is one, the support for 180 watt super fast charging, and that makes it charge your device from 0 to 100% in a little under 30 minutes. Quite fast if you ask me. The device also comes with a 120 Hz waterfall display, which gives it that curved edge design, not too curvy to make it very slippery, but for the renders we've seen online, it's a curved edge and they're calling it the waterfall display. It's AMOLED and I'm pretty sure it's going to do well, especially in the aspect of display. The other selling point has to do with a 200 megapixel optical image stabilization sensor. Now, this is where the headache is, because people actually presume that the device, which is coming with the Dimensity 925G chipset, won't have that optimization or prowess to handle a 200 megapixel optical image stabilization lens. Now, Infinix is not the only brand or smartphone manufacturing company that has this feature, although it is amongst the few people or smartphone brands that have it. There are smartphone brands that include the Motorola X30 Pro, Motorola Edge Ultra, and the Xiaomi Mi 12T Pro, which houses the 200 megapixel OIS. So Infinix adding to this makes them 4 now. So globally, we have just 4 smartphones that have this specific feature. And all these devices have powerful Snapdragon chipsets that can power the 200 megapixel optical image stabilization sensor. Now, with Infinix and the Dimensity 925G chipset, it's a bit questionable. But my personal knowledge on this is, since we haven't actually experienced the device yet, we can't pour judgment on such a device. We are yet to see real life image samples or footages of how this 200 megapixel optical image stabilization sensor will perform on the Infinix Zero Ultra. Also, we should bear in mind that most of these things can be software optimized. And I know Infinix doesn't really have much of a prominent software track record, but we can't really have low expectations for that. So we should be okay. Hopefully, let's just see how it fares in real life. Let's not give judgments yet with spec sheets. Other specifications the device is coming with is 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage with 4,500 milliamp hour battery capacity. Of course, with 180 watts, it definitely has USB Type-C fast charging. More importantly, because I haven't had my hands on this device, this is a few of the things I could say about the Infinix Zero Ultra 5G. It will be announced on the 5th of October, like I mentioned earlier, which is some days away from when this video will be live. Of course, the specs seem great, but how will they perform in real life? I'm DELPPY, and let me know down in the comment section what you expect for this device, and if you also think that 200 megapixel OIS sensor is just a gimmick. I'm DELPPY once again, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon, smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in another one. Charlie, we will talk more.